This is so pretty. So tired. Guys, so we are very hungry now and we're here at the food court. Guys, we all are so tired. So tired. I want to go home and sleep. I was so excited, but now I can't. Hi guys, so I'm finally back. I'm sorry I didn't film the end of the vlog because we just were so tired that we slept our entire night. I'm going to show you everything that I got from Ikea. So yeah, if you're interested, please keep watching. So the first thing that I got is this milk frother. I got this for 99 I guess. So yeah, this is my first item. The next item is this. I don't know if you all can see, but this is a pretty mint color. This is basically your soap dispenser. I'll be putting the prices of all the items somewhere on the screen. The next item that I have is this cute fake plant. This is again, I guess it was for 79 or 99, I don't remember. The next item that I have is potpourri. Smells amazing. For this, I got this bowl. This is a glass bowl which I hope I don't break. The next thing that I have is this vase. I'm again scared that I'm gonna break it somehow. This was for 99 I guess. It almost looks like a floss, but anyways. The next item that I have is this candle. It smells amazing. The next item that I have is basic dustbin. They had the same dustbin in white and red color also. I got the one in black. Now comes the big bag. I have a lot of things in there. This is the huge bag. Let me just clear this out first. Say hi. I guess I'll just continue with it. So the next item that I got is this doormat, a basic doormat. So the next item that I have is this set of jars. These are set of 4 and this was literally for 99. All the 4 jars. The next item, oh, this is a need. I needed hangers. This is set of 10 and I got 2 of them. They are pretty good for the price, I feel. These were for 129 each set. Okay, so this is one of my favorite things in the entire haul. These are basically hooks. This works as a hook. So I got 2, one for me and one for my sister. So this goes like this. Pretty cute. I got 2. Okay, so the next item that I have is this pencil stand. This is a basic steel ka stand. this comes in a pair of 2. The next item that I have is this comforter. Yeah, it's a basic comforter. So the next item is this curtain rod. This was on sale. I guess this retails for 250 rupees and I got this for 99. So yeah, it's a pretty wide curtain rod. I got one. Coming to the end of the haul, the last item is this white shelf. It's basically a wall shelf. It's pretty heavy. I really wanted one shelf which I wanted to place above my headboard. So guys, this was it. This was the whole Ikea trip and the haul for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. We left at around 9:30 a.m. and we really thought that we'd leave Ikea at 8 or 9. I don't know why, but we really thought that we'll take a lot of time there, but we got done at 4 p.m. And then for billing it just took us 15 minutes. Yeah, 15-20 minutes. So we got done by 4:30 and yeah, that was it. Only problem there is that you have to walk so much that at the end of it you get so tired. That was the only problem. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys are new here, please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.